A, B, C, D, E, F, and G are the 7 executives of an organization XYZ, isn't it? Now, how many persons were there? 7 persons. Who are those 7? A, B, C, D, E, F, and G are the 7 persons. They are working in an organization and XYZ. There are no other executives besides them, only 7 persons were there. The management body of the organization has decided to post these 7 executives in 7 different cities. The names of those cities are Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and so on. And the names of the cities are not necessarily in the same order as that of the persons. There are 3 married couples among these executives. That means 6 persons got married among them and only 1 person is unmarried. And one astonishing feature is that despite having equal efficiencies, their salaries are different. Okay. Now, then coming to this one, now we need to identify who was posted in which place and what is their salaries, and at the same time, and who were married to whom. And she has been posted in Delhi, and her salary is more than the salary of the person posted Chennai or Calcutta. Now C, whatever this C posted in which place? C posted in Delhi. C posted in Delhi, and the C is a female. And her, isn't it? She has been posted in Delhi, and her salary is more than the salary of the person posted in Chennai or at the Kolkata, isn't it? And C's salary is more than the person who posted in Chennai or Kolkata. Then, now C's salary. Now regarding the salaries, if you take, now C's salary is more than Chennai and the person who was posted at Kolkata. And next one, C is a female. Then next one, he is married. He is married to the one posted at Patna. Now who is married here? He is married. He is married to whom? He is married to the one posted at Patna. He is married to the one posted at Patna. He gets the least salary. Now among the salaries, if you take, he is at the last place, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you take, he must be at the last place, isn't it? He gets the least salary. He is at the last place. Then next one. He gets the least salary. No woman posted at Kolkata, Chennai or Patna. Now Kolkata, Chennai and Patna, only males were posted. Males. Now only males were posted at Kolkata, Chennai and as well as Patna. Now Patna is a male, hence he is a female. Isn't it? He is a female and the one who was posted at Patna is a male and that person is married to E. And this E is getting the least salary among those 7. Next one, G is married to B. Now who is married to whom? G is married to B. Now G and B forms a married couple. G is married to B and his salary means G is a male and B is a female. And his salary is more than ARD. Now G's salary is more than ARD. Again in the case of salary, now G's salary is more than ARD. Isn't it? G's salary is more than either A or D or both these two. F is not posted at Kolkata. F Kolkata is ruled out. F is not posted at Kolkata. F Kolkata is ruled out. And the salary of the person who posted Patna is more than the person who posted Ranchi. Isn't it? Now Patna is more than Ranchi. The one who posted Patna is having salary more than Ranchi. Patna is more than Ranchi. All these related to what? All these related to salaries. Patna is more than Ranchi and the C is more than Chennai and Kolkata and this G is more than ART. And next one. Patna is more than that of posted in Ranchi but less than the person who was posted at Kolkata. But less than Kolkata. Now if you check out here, Kolkata, Patna and Ranchi must be in this order. Isn't it? Kolkata, Patna and Ranchi must be at this order. And next one, the salary of this one. The salary of B, who is posted at Mumbai. Now B is posted at where? B is posted at Mumbai. B posted at Mumbai is more than, B posted at Mumbai is more than that of A. Now B's salary is more than A. Now in this one, B's salary is more than whom? B's salary is more than A. B's salary is more than A. A is posted at Ranchi. Now A posted at where? A posted at Ranchi. Now A who is posted at Ranchi. Now B's salary is more than the person here. hence B cannot be. B is Mumbai. And the salary of B who is posted at Mumbai is more than that of A is posted at Ranchi. F's wife, F is having a wife. As F is having a wife, F cannot be here, isn't it? Now F's wife, F can be partner, isn't it? F can be partner or belongs to the third one, third couple. F can be here because F's wife is there. He is talking about F's wife. F's wife means F is a male. F's wife is not posted at Surat or Ranchi. F's wife is not posted at Surat or Ranchi. F can be here or F can be here. Now if you take separately, F is here. F's wife is neither Surat nor Ranchi. Neither Surat nor Ranchi, and at the same time neither Mumbai, isn't it? Neither Mumbai. F's wife, neither Surat nor Ranchi, and no one gets more salary than the wife of the person who is posted at Kolkata. Wife of the person who is posted at Kolkata. Wife of the person who is posted at Kolkata, if you observe here, G is more than A and D, and B is more than A. Hence, this G must be Kolkata, isn't it? And no one gets more salary than the wife of the person who is posted at Kolkata. Hence, who must be the first one here? No, B must be the one who is getting more salary than any person, isn't it? Now B is a female. Now B is a female and G is a male. G and B are married couple, isn't it? Then A and D. Now we need to identify the genders of these two persons, A and D. Next one. Hence, who can be married to this F? And B, C, E. And out of this, B is invalid and C is there and E is there. Next one, none of the male executives was drawing more salary than F. And no male salary is drawing, no, F is a male. None of the male persons are drawing more salary than F. Hence, F must be what? F cannot be partner. Because F cannot be partner, Kolkata person is there and Kolkata person is a male, isn't it? And F is again a male. As F is again a male, F cannot be at this place because none of the persons, none of the males is getting, none of the male executives drawing more salary than F. Among the males అందరిలో Fకి ఎక్కువ శాలరీ డ్రా చేస్తున్నాడు అన్నారు. F ఎక్కువ శాలరీ డ్రా చేస్తున్నాడు కాబట్టి F అనేవాడు పార్ట్నర్ ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు కనుక F మస్ట్ బి సెపరేట్, isn't it? F is separate. F is separate. ఇప్పుడు మనకి 3 males. నా ఒకరు కోల్కతా అండ్ చెన్నై అండ్ పాట్నా వీళ్ళందరూ మనకి ఏమైపోవాలి? మేల్స్ అయిపోవాలి. అండ్ చెన్నై అండ్ పాట్నా F ఏమైపోవాలి చెప్పండి? F మస్ట్ బి చెన్నై. F is చెన్నై, isn't it? ఈ చెన్నైకి చెందినవాడు ఏమైపోవాలి? చెన్నైకి చెందినవాడు స్టార్టింగ్లో ఉంటుంది. సి కన్నా కిందనే ఉండాలి, అవునా కదా? అండ్ ఢిల్లీ కన్నా కిందనే ఉండాలి ఇన్ ద సాలరీస్. నా కోల్కతా పాట్నా రాంచీ అండ్ కోల్కతా పాట్నా రాంచీ. దెన్ హూ ఈజ్ కోల్కతా హియర్? నౌ ద పర్సన్ హూ గట్ కోల్కతా ఈజ్ జీ, అవునా కదా? జీ తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఎవరు రావాలి చెప్పండి? అండ్ పాట్నా. అండ్ ఎఫ్ ఎక్కడ వచ్చారు? జీ అండ్ బి అయిపోయారు. దెన్ and who is the other person we have? And Kolkata is G. Patna. And who is the person that belongs to Patna here? Patna can be, Patna is a male. As this Patna is a male, that person can be either A or D. Either A or D. And but where G is married to B and his salary is more than A or D. G's salary is more than A or D and switch. G's salary is more than A or D. G's salary is more than A or D. And B got salary, isn't it? Hence this F got more salary than F. None of the male executives was drawing more salary than F. F కన్నా ముందు ఇంకెవరైనా ఉన్నారా చూడండి? F కన్నా ముందు salary ఇంకెక్కువ డ్రా చేసేవాళ్ళు. అండ్ F belongs to చెన్నై. F కన్నా ముందు ఎవరు ఉండాలి? C ఉండాలి. F కన్నా ముందు C ఉండాలి కాబట్టి here it must be C. If it is C here, then it will be F, isn't it? Now B is what? B is a female and C is a female. F is a male. And out of this, after this F తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ మనకి ఎవరు ఉండాలి? F is from చెన్నై. F తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ కోల్కతా, పాట్నా, రాంచీ, కోల్కతా, చెన్నై అండ్ పాట్నా. Now Kolkata, who is that person? Kolkata here. Now the person who belongs to Kolkata. Now Kolkata is G. F తర్వాత ఎవరు ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? G. G తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ ఇంకిద్దరు ఉన్నారు, D and A. Now between D and A, now what is the relation between D and A? Now these two persons were there, isn't it? Now B is more than A అయిపోయింది. Now G is more than. Then we need to identify the relation between A or D or ARD in these two places. అంతేనా? ARD గురించి ఇంకా ఫైనలైజ్ చేద్దాం. Now this is what the information we have as of now. Then coming to the information once again, C has posted in Delhi. Now C posted in Delhi. Now B in which place? B in Mumbai. Let us write down the cities here. And G in Kolkata. And G in Kolkata. And F in Chennai. Isn't it? F in Chennai. Then E. Whatever this E. And the wife of this F is not based in Surat and Ranchi. Surat kadu, Ranchi kadu. Surat kadu, Ranchi kadu. At the same time, wife of whom? This F. Neither Surat nor Ranchi nor Kolkata, Chennai, Patna. Kolkata పోయింది, Chennai పోయింది, Patna పోయింది, Surat పోయింది, Ranchi పోయింది. కనుక 5 cities అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా మనకి 2 cities మిగిలి. ఆ 2 cities లో ఆల్రెడీ ముంబై కూడా కాదు. Isn't it? ముంబై కూడా కాదు కాబట్టి now F's wife must be Delhi. As F's wife is Delhi, who is Delhi here? C is Delhi. Hence F and C are one married couple. G and B is the other married couple. అవునా కదా? Then who is the other person we have? And G and partner. Now C is a female. C is a female. B is a female. Now D is what? D is again a female. అవునా కదా? Now where is D we have? BCF. Now between A and D, C has been posted in Delhi and her salary is more than the salary of the person posted in Chennai and Kolkata. Now C's salary is more than Chennai and Kolkata. Chennai and Kolkata F and G. C's salary is more than F and G. సరిపోయింది కదా? And next one. E is married to the person posted at Patna. E is married to the person posted at Patna. Now tell me who is the person from Patna here? And Patna ఇంకెవరు రావచ్చు చెప్పండి? DE. ముంబై, ఢిల్లీ, చెన్నై, కోల్కతా అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా మనకి మిగిలింది ఎవరు చెప్పండి? సూరత్ ఆర్ రాంచీ. Now Surat or Ranchi must be these two persons, isn't it? And Surat or Ranchi, and A is also there here. And E is a female. What is the gender of this D? D's gender is not known as of now. E is married to the person posted at Patna. E gets the least salary. No woman posted at Kolkata, Chennai or Patna. Kolkata, Chennai and Patna. And Patna person is a male. As a Patna person is a male, then whatever this male. Male ఎవరు అవ్వచ్చు చెప్పండి? అయితే ఏ మేల్ అవ్వచ్చు, లేకపోతే డి అయినా మేల్ అవ్వచ్చు. అవునా కదా? G is married to B. G is married to B and his salary is more than, G's salary is more than both these two persons A and D. సరిపోయింది కదండి ఇక్కడ? And F is not posted at Kolkata and F is posted at where? Chennai. And the salary of the person posted at Patna is more than Ranchi. Patna is more than Ranchi అన్నాడు. Now Patna and Ranchi. Who is from Patna and Ranchi? A is from Ranchi, isn't it? As A is Ranchi here, as A is here, Patna is more than Ranchi. Hence A is here and D is here. Now this person D is Patna, isn't it? Now D is Patna and A is Ranchi. A is Ranchi and D is what? D is Patna. And A, Ranchi, D, Patna. ఇంకా మిగిలిపోయింది అని చెప్పండి. Ranchi, Mumbai, Delhi, Patna, Chennai, Kolkata, and Surat is left over. Surat. And among these persons, Patna. Patna is what? Who is that person? D. Hence D is a male. D is a male. Hence D, F and G are males. And whatever this A here, and A is, E belongs to Surat. E belongs to Surat. D and E, G and B, and F and C. And A is unmarried. Isn't it? As A is unmarried, and A is what? A is male or a female? A is male or a female. G is married to B and his salary is more than ARD. F is not posted at Kolkata. The salary of the person posted at Patna is more than that of the person Ranchi. Now, ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనకి ఫైనలైజ్ అయిపోయింది D and E. And next one, but lesser than the person who posted at Kolkata. Kolkata, who is that person here? And Kolkata is G, lesser than G. Hence, what is the order? B, C, F, G, D, A, E is the order. And the salary of B who is posted at Mumbai, B posted at Mumbai is more than that of A. B's salary is more than that of A. And A is posted at Ranchi. A posted at Ranchi. And F's wife is not posted either at. Now, sir, what is the gender of this A? A's gender ఏమవ్వాలి చెప్పండి. A is posted at Ranchi. F's wife is not posted at either Surat or Ranchi. No one gets more salary than the wife of the person who is posted at Kolkata. Hence, B is posted at Kolkata. None of the remaining persons is getting more salary of that one. None of the male executives was drawing more salary than F. F కన్నా ఏ ఒక్క మేల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్స్ కూడా ఎక్కువ శాలరీ రావట్లేదు అన్నారు. అవునా కదా? ఎక్కువ శాలరీ రావట్లేదు కాబట్టి ఎఫ్ విల్ బి అట్ దిస్ ప్లేస్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద జెండర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ జీ? జీ ఈజ్ ఎ మేల్. G is a male and D is a male, D is a male. Now the gender of this A is not known. E is what? E is a female. Isn't it? Then coming to question number, who among the following executives get the highest salary? B gets the highest salary, that is choice 1. Then coming to question number 37 here, which of the following is the right combination of pair of married couples? B and G is one married couple and D and F is ruled out. B and F is ruled out. Choice 1 is the answer, 37. Then coming to 38. What is F's position from the top when the executives are arranged in descending order of their salaries? F's position, third position from the top. Isn't third position from the top? That is choice 3, question number 38. Then 39th one here. Which of the following cities is F posted? F posted in Chennai. Chennai, that is given in choice 4. And finally, question number 40. Which of the following statements is true? B is posted at Kolkata, that is false. F's salary is more than C's salary, that is again false. And C gets more salary than F. C more than F but less than B, definitely true, choice 3. Clear now? This is about question numbers 36 to 40.